Winton School. Ko Olivia ho. I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to the N.E.W.S news for the 5th of April.
Today is Rapare, which means Thursday.
Right on to te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is I. Did you have an awesome Easter break?
Yes, I did.
The UV forecast for today is medium.
Make sure you're wearing your potae when you're outside. Here are today's notices.
1 to 3 Kapa Haka in the hall at 11 AM today.
Reminder that band is on in the hall today at 3 PM. This is your last practice for the term. Make sure you're ready to rock.
Tomorrow is the RERE Games. All children are to come to school in sport, mufti or their P.E Uniform. It's going to be a great day.
There is PALS meeting on at morning tea in room 8.
And now if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Haere rā, and see you tomorrow, Winton School.